Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code in Code. So today's video is not going to be around any sort of the technical videos, tutorials or any learnings, but I'm today happy that I just received a swag box from Cloud Community Group. So let me tell you a short about Cloud Community Group. So Cloud Community Group is a group dedicated towards the folk who wants to learn about the cloud native landscape. And if you are one who is interested to learn about the cloud native landscape and wants to learn more about it, you should definitely think for joining this group. It has dedicated LinkedIn channel, Twitter and WhatsApp group too. So it is a superb channel. So I have conducted a session on Cloud Community Group. I was invited for conducting a session. So for that I got a swag box and it's super. You should join. So let's go ahead and unbox the package. So see, this is the box which I have received as of now. So you can see the namings. If you can see, this is the naming, right? And let me unbox. So this is a box which I received. Yeah, packaging is so good, I must say. This is the packaging, and the Cloud Community is written here. So it's superb, I should say. Right, and let's talk about this plastic. Yeah, plastic is also good. It's recyclable. It's written here. Yeah, it's recyclable. See, it's recyclable written here. It's pretty good, right? And let's see what inside. Okay, yeah, super packaging. See, Cloud Community Group is written here, and I must say thanks to the team of Cloud Community Group for sending such amazing swag box. So let me just remove this cover from it. Let me see. Actually, I don't just want to cut this particular package. It's very good actually. So let me try to remove this cover, or else I have to cut it. Okay, I was able to remove this. So yeah, this is a good package with the logo of Cloud Community Group. You should definitely think for joining this group. And yeah, this is the package. It's a good package. Let me see what's inside this package. Let me open this. I have to think of a way to cut it. I must say. Okay, I will just cut it. Okay, I was able to remove it. Yeah, let me see what's inside. Guess till then you can just guess what can be inside this particular box. It's there are lots of swags, I believe, in this box. So cool. So see, there are lots of swags coming outside of this box. So this is one of the badge I received. So this is from Google Cloud. If you can see, this is a Google Cloud badge, right? So since I was a part of the Cloud Community Group, so this is mandatory, right? And the founder, who is Pratham, you can just go and follow him. He is a super person. He is he revolves around the cloud native landscape, and he has a group dedicated to the GCP also. So if you are the one who just want to contribute to the GCP, and right now he is also facilitating the arcade facilitator program, in which every year lots of folks participate. So if you are the one who just want to participate in that, definitely you should go. So this is the one which I have received, and let's see what's inside. Okay, this is a certificate. Okay, so this is a certificate which I received. So by mistake, it was mishandled actually from the shipment itself. So pardon Antriksh for this. But it is written, "Hi Abhishek, we would like to take a moment to thank you for helping us organize the Cloud Bootcamp 2023. It was amazing working with you for the event and all that." So definitely it's very good, right? And let's see what's more inside it. Okay, that's a fine silver jewelry, gift voucher, and this is the one I have received give a 500 rupees voucher also. Cool. And what's more? Okay, I have received the exclusive peer list stickers verified by peerless, super peer, and peerless. Tomorrow is Monday and all that. You can see this sticker. It's quite exclusive, I must say, because peerless is some sort of group who doesn't participate, or rarely participate in some of the events. So Cloud Community Bootcamp was one of them, definitely. And what more is inside? Okay, this is an exclusive handbook from the GitHub Education. So this is a GitHub Education. Normally when you go to a GitHub event, you don't generally get this, but this is the one which is comparatively new for me. And let's see what's more inside. Okay, so the favorite part, lots of stickers inside, lots of stickers. You can see lots of stickers inside. So this is a sticker. Let me show you what sort of stickers I have got. So okay, so sticker is around the AWS Cloud Development Kit. Then I have the She Builds, right? Then I have the Your Vision, Your Cloud, then Peer List, and lot more. You can see lot more swags. GitHub, then AWS startups, and lot more. So it's good. Okay, one from the Notion too. See, it's brand guideline of the Notion. You can go and check your Notion docs, right? So this is a sticker I received. Apart from that, what more? So this is a simple markdown GitHub flavor, and this is the it for sure another voucher I received, right? So it's quite good. Then okay, this is something really, I appreciate this. Google Cloud Community Day cheat sheet. It's very good. The quality is very good. It's it's oily paper basically. So it's a cheat sheet. You can see it's such a good quality cheat sheet. And let's see what's more inside this package. Let me try to open this. Okay, lot more inside. See, also this is the package, right? So just for the safety purpose, right? So these are the flowers which they have given to me. Oh, it's quite it has a good smell. I must say. See, good smell. Lots of flowers. So this is the recyclable pencil. It is quite recyclable. You can just erase it, and it is recyclable, made up of the paper, right? It's a very good pencil and environment friendly, and Antariksh is also environment friendly, right? So and this is the caffeine face wash. So I have received a face wash from the caffeine. Coffee face scrub. So definitely good one. So it is quite good. And also Cloud Community Group, just stickers, regular stickers and all that. Cloud Community Bootcamp pen also, and also stickers from the Google Cloud. And anything more, let me see. No, nothing else. So yeah, these are all the stickers. So there are lots of things inside this particular package. And okay, this is a Notion, and let me give us a huge shout out to Cloud Community for this thing, because Notion is a community which I have rarely seen, because I have been a part of so many communities. I have rarely seen such communities that Notion is contributing or sponsoring that particular event. So Notion is also was also part of our Cloud Community group, and for that event basically. So yeah, thank you Antariksh and the Cloud Community group for sending such a wonderful surprise and the swag box. And if you haven't joined the Cloud Community group as of now, you must go and join the Cloud Community group if you are a person who is interested in the cloud native landscape. So yeah, see you in the next video with the AWS series. Till then, be happy and share this video with your friends. Bye bye.